Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix restore from iCloud time remaining. So the first thing that you would like to check is if your iPhone is connected on a stable internet like Wi-Fi instead of being connected on cellular data. The reason is because cellular data often has less stable connectivity and it might be the reason for the process to be stuck there. Make sure that you are connected on a stable internet or Wi Fi connection. Another fix that you can do is by simply restarting your iPhone. Just hold your power and volume button, specifically the volume up button, at the same time until the slide to power off option appears. Try powering off your iPhone, then turn it back again. And the last fix that you can do is simply wait for the time to be finished. It actually takes a bit of time, and all you have to do is have a little more patience for the process to be completely done. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!